Ballet Galops Cecchetti Ballet Grade 2 Syllabus Course Jacklyn Dougherty. 2. Feet in first position, arms in fifth en basse. Combination, count 1 to 2. Introduction, hold the position. Count 3 to 4. Point tendu right foot to second. Arms to demi-second, head turn to the right. 1 to 8. 8 sideways galops and écarté to corner 1. Counts 1 to 8. Run around to corner 4, face corner 1, and prepare left foot. Count 1 to 8. 8 sideways galops and écarté to corner 2. Counts 1 to 8. Run around to the center, back, and finish in your own pose. Note, this exercise may be shown one by one or in small groups at the decision. Students must finish center back to enable to the next student or group to comers without stopping the music. Much love, Jacklyn Dougherty and Dr. Joni Dougherty, EDD.